Creating a new moon manifesting journal, ritual and ceremony can be a beautiful and powerful way to set intentions, cultivate positive energy, and manifest your desires. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Gather the materials you'll need for your manifesting journal and ceremony. This may include a journal or notebook, pens, markers or colored pencils, crystals, candles, or any other ritual objects that resonate with you, essential oils or incense for aromatherapy, and a comfortable and quiet space for your ceremony. Select a journal or notebook specifically for your new moon manifesting practice. Choose one that speaks to you and feels special. It could be a plain notebook that you decorate or a pre-designed manifestation journal. Create a dedicated space for your manifestation ceremony. This could be a quiet corner in your room or a spot in nature. Clear the space of any distractions and make it comfortable with cushions or blankets. Start your ceremony by energetically cleansing the space. You can use sage, palo santo, or incense to clear any stagnant energy and create a fresh, positive atmosphere. Take a few moments to ground yourself. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and visualize roots growing from your body into the earth. This helps you connect with the present moment. Write down your intentions for the upcoming lunar cycle in your manifesting journal. Be specific, positive, and focused on what you want to manifest in your life. Use affirmations and powerful language. Design a simple ritual to enhance the manifestation process. This could include lighting a candle, holding a specific crystal, or using essential oils. Choose elements that resonate with you and make the ritual meaningful. Engage in a visualization exercise. Close your eyes and visualize yourself already living the life you desire. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. This helps to program your subconscious mind for success. After your visualization, write in your manifesting journal about your experience. Express gratitude for the manifestations that are already on their way and reflect on the emotions you felt during the visualization. Seal your intentions by closing your journal, or you can use a special symbol or affirmation to mark the end of your manifesting ceremony. Make your new moon manifesting ceremony a monthly practice. Each month, review the previous month's intentions, celebrate your successes, and set new intentions for the upcoming lunar cycle. Remember, the key to successful manifestation is consistency, positive energy, and belief in the process. Enjoy the journey and trust that the universe is working in your favor.